15 mind-blowing geography facts they never taught you in school. 1. Sudan has more ancient pyramids than Egypt. Sudan has between 200 and 255 known pyramids. They were built in the ancient kingdom of Kush. Egypt only has 138. 2. Papua New Guinea has 840 indigenous languages. It has 3 official languages, including English. There's also a unique German Creole language, called Unserdeutsch. It's spoken in East New Breton province. 3. 2 islands are 2.4 miles and 20 hours apart. The Diomede Islands lie between the US and Russia. 2 of them are separated by the international date line. Big Diomede is often called Tomorrow Island. Little Diomede is called Yesterday Island. 4. The world's largest desert is Antarctica. A desert is a place that gets less than 10 inches of precipitation a year. This makes Antarctica the driest continent. Its water is mostly locked in glaciers. 5. Istanbul is the only major city resting on 2 continents. The Turkish city is located in both Europe and Asia. The Bosphorus Strait divides it through the middle. 6. Bangkok's full ceremonial name has 169 letters.
Sorry, we can't voice it, so the name of the city on the screen.
It means City of Angels, Great City of Immortals, Magnificent City of the 9 Gems, Seat of the King, City of Royal Palaces, Home of Gods Incarnate, erected by Vishvakarman at Indra's behest. 7. Continents can move at an alarming rate. 200 million years ago, tectonic plates accelerated. For 10 million years, they moved at 20 millimeters a year. That's the rate of fingernail growth. They have slowed down since then. 8. The Himalayas are getting taller every year. That's because they're relatively young. For mountains, the tectonic plates that form them are still moving. This causes the mountains to grow up to 10 millimeters a year. 9. All the world's population could fit in Texas. The state of Texas covers over 261,000 square miles of land. The world's population is 7.9 billion. At a population density of New York City, they could all fit in Texas. There would be about 10,000 square miles of empty space left. 10. The Sargasso Sea has no coast. This sea is found in the Atlantic Ocean. It's entirely surrounded by ocean currents. 11. There's an island in a lake, in an island in a lake in an island. Vulcan Point Island lies in a crater lake on Volcano Island. Volcano Island is in Taal Lake on the Philippine island of Luzon. 12. The longest fence in the world is 3,488 miles. It's the Dingo Barrier Fence in Australia. It protects grazing sheep from wild dingoes. 13. Africa is the only continent that covers 4 hemispheres. Africa straddles the equator in the prime meridian. It stretches from the northern temperate to the southern temperate zones. 14. Most people in the world live in the north. The northern hemisphere is home to 90% of the population. 15. 3 countries are landlocked by just 1 country. They are Lesotho, San Marino, and Vatican City. Lesotho is located entirely within South Africa. San Marino and Vatican City are both in Italy.